National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, central Edwards County in southeastern Illinois, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Albion, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Carmel, Albion, Grayville, Belmont, Bone Gap, Keensburg, and Browns. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Edwards and Wabash.
Oh, doubleheader.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:15 p.m. for southeastern Wayne and southwestern Edwards counties. At 5:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Albion, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Wayne and southwestern Edwards counties. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Edwards, Illinois.
Doubleheader.
Taking a look at your 7.
Man.